Hey guys, on this episode I'll be taking you through the process of making our own hot sauce. Now for doing this you only need a few things. You need some spicy peppers, you need a bottle to put it in, which in this case I actually got this from a dollar store. There was hot sauce in this, and once I finished it up, washed it off, and to get the label off you can just put it in a bowl of hot water and leave it for 15 minutes and then use like a scraper to get it off. It comes off pretty easily once you soak it. Then you have your bottle. You just need some hot peppers. You need some vinegar, which right here, measuring cup, and some good you want some decent quality vinegar and not like anything weird. Maybe not cleaning vinegar or apple cider vinegar. You could try it out, I guess, I don't know. I'll just show you kind of the general workflow and then you can kind of design your own. So what I've got here is, I don't know what this pepper is. I really wish I did, but I have two of them. This one didn't ripen. And then I've got just some other things, a little green pepper. I've got a little, I think this is a habanero, jalapeno. This is a lemon cucumber. I've got some fresh rosemary, got some ginger and an onion. And this one here is black nightshade berries. I already made a hot sauce with black nightshade berries and it was delicious. It added a really nice unique flavor to it, which I can show you. Mainly the hot lemon pepper and some jalapenos, Hungarian hot wax peppers, and then a whole bunch of black nightshade berries. So after I put those in there, the color went from, well, it basically pulled it up much closer to purple, which ended up with this. This is a really thick hot sauce, so you can see. Okay, so first off, what we need to do is chop all this up. Then we're gonna cook it, then we're gonna blend it, and then we're gonna put it in the bottle. So that's basically it. So first off, let's chop all this up. So the reason I'm putting this lemon cucumber in there is that I'll add a really nice lemon flavor and it just kind of add a little bit more body to it. And speaking of which, I need one more ingredient. So I'm going to add a lime, or a juice from half, because these limes are actually like the size of lemons. So all we have left is the ginger and the onion. This is a big piece of ginger. I'm going to get rid of the peel. So we got all the veggies here. Try and do this with one hand. So first we got our 1 cup of vinegar into the pan. Put it on high. And just looking at the ratio, I realize I need another half a cup of vinegar in here. So now it's just going to cook this down. Once it gets to high and it's boiling, cook it for 10 minutes. Now that we got everything cooked up, it's nice and soft. We're going to put all this in the blender and blend it up. And then it's ready to be put in the bottle. Now you want to make sure, if you don't have a blender that can take something that's hot, then you want to wait until it cools down. But the Vitamix is rated to take this hot liquid, so it is not a problem. I'm going to put all this stuff right in there. Alright, so now that we've got this in here, we're going to add the lime juice. Okay, it's time to blend this up. Alright, so we got it all blended up now. All the seeds are, ooh, look at that. Woo! Oh, it smells really good. Oh, it smells good. So you want to blend it up until there's no more seeds or anything. You just want to see like one nice color. In this case, it's like a nice orangey pumpkin pie kind of color. One thing I noticed is this bottle is very small and my smallest funnel does not fit. If I hold it there, maybe it'll work. If not, I'll put it in the jar. We'll just try this. There it goes. Well, get to taste it now. Oh, that's good. Oh, crap. Well, my cutting board is at least clean, so let's put it back in. This nonsense is not really working too well. It's a bit of a fail, but this is reality. Well, the rest of this I'm just going to put in this jar for now. And I'll probably go get a bigger container tomorrow or a smaller funnel, one or the other. But for the taste test, it's got a nice, so it's got a lot of heat. It's also got some sweetness from that pepper. It's got a lot of spice, definitely a lot of heat. And then the lime is really coming through strong. And also a lemony flavor from lemon cucumber. And then it's just a little more complex development in there with the onions and the black nightshade berry. It's a very sour, vinegary, sour, hot sauce. Hope you learned a little bit about making hot sauce and try one out for yourself. It's really not that hard. And just get a bigger bottle than this. That's what we've learned here today. Well, that does it for this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked the video, like the video. That's a little redundant. Subscribe to the channel, and until the next one, have a great day.